Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to see friend request on Discord. So first thing that you will do guys is simply open up the Discord application into your device. So this process will work on Android and Apple devices. So just simply follow along. So from here, just simply tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, the U or your profile. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here your friends down below. So just simply tap on your friends over here. And now from here, guys, in order for you to see the send friend request, just simply tap on friend request at the top over here. And from here, you should be able to see here the sent friend request and the received friend request. So from here, you should be able to see the friend request that you have on a Discord. And now when you tap on the gear icon on the top right, you should be able to see here who can send you a friend request. So you will have your three option. You will have everyone, which everyone can send you a friend request. You can have friends of friends. So mutual friends can only send you a friend request or only the server members. So this will be based on your preferences. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.